Our Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, parking assist system, ventilated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.